Hello, this is Atif Mahmood. In this activity 1.2 from first chapter, we are going to comparing mesh topologies, and the objectives are compare the routing tables of a partial mesh topology with a full mesh topology. Observe the coverage of the network when an interface is shut down and brought back up. Examine the EIGPR packets in simulation mode as the network coverage. So first step is to click on the here on the right side of the icon. Click here and we are going to examine one of the router from the mesh topology, partial mesh topology, and on the router HQP, and click routing table which pop up on this video. I'll drag it over there, and here we can see how it looks like. Then from the other network, which is full mesh topology, we'll go ahead and take a routing table for this one so we can compare and see what is the difference between two topologies. Here are the routing tables for both routers, and the second step is observe the conversation convergence of the network when an interface is shut down and brought back. So we will go ahead, close this one, and click on the right side on the pointer so we can get in and in router command line interface to configure it and shut it down. And we will go ahead and do on BR2P router on full. Actually it's a partial mesh topology, so go ahead, click on that one and CLI and type here enable conf t, and we are going to enter into the our serial port. If you don't know how to configure or find which one is that, so if you would click on that thing here, it will ask you to select where. So this is basically a serial 001 which we need to configure, and we'll go back, enter the serial interface INT SE 0/0/1, and now we are going to issue a command shutdown. So here you can see it turned red. There is no connection. The connection has been shut down between these two routers, which is BR1P and BR2P. Connection has been disconnected between these two routers. You can figure it out by lights are getting red here between these connections. And now we are going to bring it back. So we'll go back to INT SE 0/0/1 and no shutdown. And now you can see it's green back. I mean it's connected again, and those both routers talking to each other. You can see it is connected and the interface are connected back. So let's go ahead and turn the other interface, that connection between from here to here, to disconnect it, to shut down, and we will have to issue same command. So INT SE 0/0/0 and shut down. There we go. So now actually the direct connection between from HQP between BR2P has been disconnected. Now if you look at the routing table above here, it will either go from the different route, either this way or either this way, from the BIR1 or BR1. So we'll go ahead and get into the simulation mode for our next step. But before we go into our simulation mode, we will need to turn this one back on. So I would actually go back to interface int se 0/0/0 and click and issue a command no shutdown. Here it's back up and running, and now we are going into simulation mode to watch what happens. And add from here to here. Okay, from here to here, and we wanna watch it a little bit faster. Auto capture play. See what happens now. It is moving. Cool. Looks like it's working all right the way it's supposed to. Packet trace is a little bit working slow, but it's actually passing the packets traveling from each net router to different router. Alright, and we'll stop it here. So basically the next step is we will continue on this activity. We will have to do same couple steps on this full mesh topology, and we will have to go first we need to get the routing table for that. Let's check here is the routing table, or either we could just routing table, which we are going to keep here, and we'll go and select the pointer so we can get into command line, and we are going to turn off the other network by using the serial port, same as we did in the last one. Type the command enable conf t, enter the int se 0/0/1 and type shutdown. Okay, we'll watch on the back what it happens. Now you can see it has been disconnected by the red spots on here. Now we'll go and click again, enter there, and we'll click no shut down. It should bring it back. The lights are on, and now we are going to turn off the under interface. So we'll have to go to other serial interface int se 0/0/0 and shut down. And watch, it disconnects and makes changes in the router and takes a different route from here. And we'll go back and turn back that on, no shutdown. So it's back, everything is green. Now we are going to watch in the simulation mode. Go ahead, click on, we can close that. And we are now in simulation mode. We'll go ahead and click auto capture. This is from the each router, the EIGRP protocol. It's showing how it's going. I'll make it go a little bit faster. And this completes the activity for 1.2.1.